This is Irontrader, and this is midday trading. So we're going to take a look here and see what natural gas is doing, and we're going to see what old crude oil here is doing. And then what we're going to do is going to take a look at the stock that is in play today, NVIDIA, NVDA. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have natural gas, your hourly and your 4-hour chart. Now you can see just a beautiful run up, higher highs and higher low. Now what happened is it came down and we sold off at here, made a little bit lower low here. However, we held this nice level here and basically 2.60 was the low, but we're holding this key 100 SMA here on a so far. That's very, very good. So what we want to do here is how we look at this is we just take these price channels, come right across. See that? Okay, 2.60, that was your level. Now forget, if it went lower, then we just come over here to this price channel, 2.57, and you can just work yourself all the way on down. But it held that first level here very, very nicely, and now she's moving right on up here. Very, very nice. So then we want to do is we want to make sure that we close above that 2.796. If it does, we so far got a little bit higher high, but if it closes above there, then she can rocket higher. Now here in your 4-hour chart, you can see how nice this is, where it held this 8 SMA. I'm always pointing out these 8 SMA here, breaking everybody's balls with this. Okay, so we have that 8 SMA, how nice it followed up. When it loses that, then you just look to the next level, that 21 day. But you can see how nice that 21 day held the whole time. And see, look at right here. Okay, right there, just hugging it, and then she popped right on up. Boom, made a new high. That's what you want to look. Now, again, if that 21 day is lost, then we just come down to the 50 day. That makes it very nice. But we have a really good uptrending chart here, lower left, upper right, just a little bit of pullback, no big deal. Now, we're going to take a look here at a 5-minute chart, and I'm going to show you exactly where the buying opportunity was. Okay, here we have the 5-minute chart. Now, you can see right here, this is the buying opportunity. So there's no excuses why nobody got long today and didn't make any money on natural gas, okay? It sold all the way down here and hit that low of today's low of 2.609. Okay, you never buy it there because you don't know. Okay, so you just wait for that to rally up, came down, and then it came down and retested that. Okay, there's your low, 2.61. Okay, see that higher low situation, 2.609, and right there, what do you have? 2.613. That is your buying opportunity. That's when I went in there, jumped into UNG, and boom, look at this. Okay, I lost the 8 SMA, right down to the 21 day. Carried the 8 SMA all the way on up. So there should be no reason, okay, if you're trading a 5-minute chart, it's right here. It's clear as a bell. Look at that bad boy. Okay, nice. Low, higher low, boom. Take the trade all the way on up. Okay, let's take a look here at a daily chart. Okay, here we have the old natty gas daily chart. Very, very nice. 8 days holding. Look how many times it held it. Very, very nice. I just said that's the key level. We just look right to the left of the chart. So far, we hit that 2.60. This morning's video, I said if that's lost, you come down to 2.57. And then this is what you're looking for is that 8 SMA now sitting at 2.55. If that's lost, your big target is going to be this 200-day at 2.46. Now, here's the recent high. We had 2.798. Today, we made a little higher at 2.80. Okay, so how do we get there? Like to the left of the chart. I said everything you need to know about resistance is sitting right there. Okay, what do we have here? 2.804. What did this hit today? 2.803. Okay, that's how you trade. Now, if you can break above that, then we'll come right to the bottom of this candle. What do you see? 2.82. We'll come right to the closing number of this candle, 2.86. Then we'll come right over here to the top here, 2.88. That price channel right across. Bring the next price channel across. What do you have? You got 2.96. That is going to be your upside targets. Again, and then if you can move on up here, you just follow. It goes right on up here. Next target is going to be 3.01. And then what we can do is we can just follow along here. Okay, look at the low, 3.10. What do we have? Okay, 3.18. Follow it on up here, 3.23. All the way to you hit 3.37, and then a big retest up there at 3.39. But look how nice and beautiful this played out here today. Just like even on yesterday's candle, you had 2.798, and then right there at 2.80. That's what you're looking for. So again, if it pops up, just follow these candles, okay? 2.82, 2.86, 2.88, 2.96. Those are your upside targets. If you start getting above where we have these price channels come across, then we just keep following all the way up until you get to retest 3.39. Now, downside, what you want to watch is we obviously want to watch yesterday's low. Okay, so that's sitting at 2.64. Then we'll look at today's low at 2.60, and then we have that 2.57, and then we have your nice 8 SMA at 2.55. As long as this price is above this 8 SMA here, this is a long trade. Okay, this RSI is saying, yeah, we got a little bit overbought, but again, it can stay in that overbought condition. All that's showing is RSI's relative strength index. And all it shows how much strength that this is in play right now. Okay, see that? Very, very nice. MACD, green over red, looking very, very bullish. Nice, very, very nice. Okay, so there should be no reason why you weren't in. You look at that 5-minute chart, you put in a double bottom, a higher low, boom. Take the trade, go long. Okay, let's take a look here at crude oil. Okay, crude oil daily, weekly chart. Now you can see here, we put in, this was like an indecision candle. You went between your 200-day and your 100-day simple moving average. Okay, yesterday, you only made half the candle. That's really never good. And then you put in that lower low. That's not good. Today, so far, we have a sort of like a bottoming tail kind of a situation here. We've got to see how this all going to shake out, but another lower low. That's not really good. Okay, so we got to see how this is all going to shake out. So what we want to watch right now, crude oil real-time price is sitting at 78.17. Okay, so what you want to watch here is watch on this candle right here. You're looking at 77.68, and we looked at yesterday's low. That's 77.65. That's going to be very, very key levels right there. Okay. Now, again, if that's lost, then we look to that 77.55, and then we look to today's low at 77.35, and then we have the nice retest down here at 76.89, and then we have your obviously 76.70. If this is lost right there, here's your target right there, your 200 SMA sitting at 75.62. Okay, very, very nice. So now, but again, as long as this bottom of this candle, okay, see the low 77.96, as long as that holds, you're trading this range. See this box right here? That's basically all you are trading right now, okay? Even though it spiked down, no big deal. Spiked down yesterday. Look at all these spikes. Doesn't matter. Long as it doesn't close. If you close below that 79.96, well, yes, then you can start going down to all these levels here and a possible retest of that 76.77. Now, upside. Right there, we're looking at 78.77. Okay, right above it is that 8-day at 78.88, and then we have your 21-day here sitting right at 78.89, and then we have your 50-day sitting at 79.26. Above that, right there, 79.80, and then you have your 200-day at 80.04. Okay, that's it. That's what your trading is now. So again, you have a lot of resistance here. You can see, look at the 100-day rolling over, 8-day rolling over. That's not a good look at all, okay? So the key is, can it get above this 100-day, this 8-day, and to head towards that 200-day, or is this going to be just a sideways action kind of a situation? Now remember, on the bottom here, just watch yesterday's low. Very, very key. That's 77.65, 77.55, and then today's low, 77.35. If that closes below this level, especially this one here, 77.9, then here is going to be your retest at 76.7, and then right there, 75.62. That is the take. Upside, 100-day, 8-day, 21-day, 50-day, 21-day, 200-day. Okay? Pretty simple. But again, now, scalping, really good scalping. Okay? So you look at the UCO. You had a low of 30.92, and you had a high of 31.50. Okay, very, very nice. Okay, you had 58 cents. You get 50 cents out of it, 5,000 shares, not bad for one trade. Very, very simple. Okay, so just keep your trading simple. Don't have no thing of where it's going, where I think it's going. Trade what is in front of you. Right now, we have sideways action. This could go on and on and on. We don't have any idea here yet. Okay, but again, watch this key level. You lose that, you're going to come all the way down to here. Okay, you get above this Hondo, the 8-day, then you got a good shot at hitting that 200 right there, sitting at 80.04. Okay, let's take a look here at NVIDIA. Okay, here we have NVIDIA. This is one of my favorite trades here, obviously. Another easy way to trade this is I use the ETF TQQQ. Okay, it's a sweet basket of all. It's got NVIDIA in there, Apple, Microsoft, even has Tesla in there, and Meta, and Amazon, and Costco. It has the whole 9 yards that is in that TQQ, plus it plays a small dividend. Okay, so if one stock or two stocks or something like that get hammered, you're not going to get hammered, okay, on that ETF. But if you don't like it and you want to just trade this, well, here what we're going to look at. Now, this is really priced for perfection. You can see the big run is up like, I don't know how many billion% or whatever this year. Okay, so this is really priced. I think they're going to have blowout numbers. I think this is the future. I don't have any good now. All the tech companies really blew out the numbers. The only one who didn't was Tesla, and because they have their own issues. Okay, but when you look at the rest of the companies, they did really, really good. Okay, I mean, your Apple and your Google and your Meta, all these tech companies here, the Mag 7 did fantastic. So I can't see any reason why this wouldn't. But again, you are priced for perfection. Okay, so just always remember that. Now, even though you have a sell-off, it could pull down to something, that'd be more of a buying opportunity. But let's just take a look here. Let's look at the upside first. Okay, so you want to look at that price channel. See that? 958.19. That's what you're looking for. Okay, now if you can crack that, then what we look at here, you come right to this channel here. You're looking at 963.75. That's the next level. Then we'll come right here to the top of this candle. Okay, you're looking at 967.66. And then here is your big target at 974. Okay, very, very nice. Now, NVIDIA sitting right there right now. You're sitting at about 950. So that's an easy 24 points if you could run right on up here. Now, again, big if, you close above this 974, you're going to go to 1,000 almost instantly. Okay, that's just reality. She will rip right to 1,000, and then if you break 1,000, you're going right to $1,200. There's no question about it. Okay, now they have big targets on there. I think it got 1,200, 1,500. Some people have 1,600, 2,000. You know what I'm saying? But all you really want to worry about today is this 974. You close above, she rips higher. You got blue sky. Now let's take a look at the bottom. Always got to look at the downside. Okay, right here is this 8 SMA. Now you can see here, right there, you're sitting at 935.31. Now you can see how nice it's holding all the way on up here. If that is lost, okay, then we come down to the bottom of that candle. Okay, then you're looking at 931. We'll come right here to this candle here. You're looking at roughly 918. And then what you're really looking at here is this 21-day at 896. And this 50 SMA here sitting at 886.38. Okay, so that's realistically what you're looking at. Now there is a gap that you got to be also pay attention to. Okay, so right here you look at the bottom of this candle, it is 870.40. There's your gap. Then we look to the top of this candle at 862.37. Okay, your gap. Okay, 870.40, and the top of that candle 862.37. Gap and fill. Okay, so these SMAs here, that 21, that 50 days lost, then look for support levels right there and then right there. Okay, and then again, obviously, if it's lost, you can just follow the candles all the way down. But the gap and the fill, always watch those. The key level right now is going to be that 8 SMA on the downside, 835.25. If that's lost, you can follow the candles, but realistically, your target's going to be this 21-day at 896, and then we got that 50-day at 886. Okay, upside, just watch this price channel. That's going to be very, very critical. That 858.19. If you can get above that, we just follow these candles here. Okay, 963, 967, but that's the target you're looking for. 974. You close above this, and you're going to be at 1,000 in a blink of an eye. Okay, that's what I got for you today. A little netty gas, a little crude ski, and we got some NVIDIA. All right, thanks for watching. I'll be back here later today, probably after the pit close, and we will go a little bit more in depth on crude and natural gas.